Excitement and relaxation starts here at Pendine Sands Holiday Park. Looking for a fun-filled break with all the family? Or maybe you can't wait for some peace and quiet? Explorers and snorers, we welcome you all. Nestled just steps away from the famous 7-mile beach of powder soft sand, backed by glorious Welsh countryside, you'll not be short of things to do and see. Looking for action and attractions on park? We've got you covered. There's plenty to keep the kids busy, with not one but 2 adventure playgrounds, an arcade and kids club. Get active in the indoor pool and along the nature trail. Stop off at the beachside cafe or choose from the family-friendly menu at the restaurant, with live entertainment to follow, plus loads more. Maybe you're seeking some adventure and to explore the outdoors. Seize the day trip and take the chance to explore some of the wonders of Wales just on our doorstep. It's the perfect place to relax, unwind and have great family fun whatever you choose to do. Caravan fans and luxury lodgers alike, you'll feel at home at Pendine Sands Holiday Park. So, what are you waiting for? Holiday like you mean it and book your trip to Pendine Sands.